I've noticed these areas on my crepe myrtle recently. Are they normal growth expansions in the bark, or are they a disease? And this is from Mr. Mike, Ringo, Georgia. So I was telling Walt a little bit about this. If you look at that, it seems like that crepe myrtle has probably been wounded before, right? Because that looks like to me that it's actually trying to callus over. So it's compartmentalizing the injured tissue with new tissue. So yeah, callus, or some of the certified arborists would say wound wood, right? Yeah. So I mean, that's what I would think.
Oh, absolutely.
It's trying to do.
That's what that is.
Probably got hit by a weed eater or something.
Weed eater, probably got crepe murder.
Yes.
How about that? Probably something like that happened. Yeah, but the thing is, trees don't heal themselves, so to speak. Yeah, it just has to compartmentalize, the injured tissue with some of that new tissue. The
covering it over, so it's just going to be an abnormal looking growth on there. So.
And the tree will survive it.
Yeah.
Survive it. It'll seal itself. And it'll be fine, right? But yeah, we just have to make sure that we're not, the weed eater blight, as most people call it, or the crepe myrtle and things like that. And Mr. Mike, that should be fine. So don't worry about it. It's not a disease. It'll be okay. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.